Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the KitchenAid KMBS 104 ESS. I'm going to show you how I install it, and then at the end we'll have a little video review. The oven comes with the following trim kits. This is for the 27-inch hole. This is for the 30-inch hole. Some brackets, some screws, some other brackets. Of course, a glass turntable, a owner's manual, and an installation manual. Okay, this is the side mounting bracket, and then the extension plate. In the side mounting bracket, you can kind of see how there's a screw here and a screw here that would mount this thing, and then it would give you the room for the 27-inch. And then you can add the side bracket here, this extension bracket here, to make it go for a 30-inch opening. I installed the mounting brackets on this side, and I had to use a Torx T10 screw bit to get this in here. And you can see it from the front. And then if we had a 30-inch mounting, we'd have to use an extension. So the depth of this, all the way to the back of this bubble, is 18 1/4. So one of the considerations I have is as far as the depth here, I got a recessed socket here. Even with the recessed socket, we still have an 1.5 inches to maybe 1.25 inches if you really press it, sticking out there. Well, here we are. I put it in the hole, plugged in, put it in the hole, and now we just got to screw in the side plates and then put on the side panels. And anyway, remember there's a layer of plastic on these things, so be sure to peel off the protective clear plastic before you mount these things. Okay, now that the brackets are firmly screwed into the side, remember it's a Torx T10 bit, now we can put on the side panels. Okay, I screwed in the 2 screws on this side and the 2 screws on this side. Now, they came with, you either get black screws or silver screws, and I guess the silver screws match all the rest of the screws here. But if you'd gotten the non-stainless steel model, I'm sure you would have wanted the black. Put the glass thing in there, and now she's all set. Matches the bigger one that I have and the dishwasher, so now everything's all matching in here. And I really love the style of these handles with the red inserts. It's just a really nice, classy look. Okay, when you first power it up, you need to set the clock. And step 1 is you press the cancel, and then you can see where it says clock, hold 5 seconds. You do that for 5 seconds. It'll bring up the first digit, then you have this wheel. Now, you notice that the wheel is in, and then you press it again and it comes out. So it's a toggle locking wheel, and then you can just turn this wheel, and here it's setting the cook time as you turn the wheel. Well, this is a nice, wide, deep microwave, wider and deeper than most microwaves. You can get something 16 inches in here, but one disappointment is the height. If you notice, it's not all that high, so you only get about 8 inches of clearance here when you've got that glass carousel in there. So that's certainly one big disappointment. Another thing to look at is the light. They claim it's an incandescent, halogen gas light. So I'm sure more modern microwaves would have an LED light. Now it's time to put this thing to the test. I'm going to heat up a cup of coffee, close the microwave door. We'll spin the knob, and I'll do 1 minute and press start. Well, that's pretty exciting. Looking up here, got some buttons here. You can add a minute. Got some one-touch stuff. But that's about it. No keypad, just the knob.